Thank you again for contacting KBB Replacement Door. Now we're going to talk about how to replace your door. Sometimes you may need a journey or some skilled craftsman to replace the doors for your kitchen, bedroom or bathroom, but some of the basic doors and maybe some of all the doors in your piece of furniture you can replace yourself. We've got a door here. This is a kitchen wall door here. So as you can see, we've got two hinges on the door. This particular door has what's called a clip-on hinge, which has been around for the last 15 plus years. So you just pull from the back, pull from the front. And that removes your door, which then means you can now start removing your screws. So you get your star head screwdriver, and these screws are quite short, so they'll not be too difficult to take out. So that's one out, that's two out, and your hinge will just pop out from the 35mm hinge hole. If you do have a power screwdriver, even quicker. Two screws out, and that's your hinge off, ready to replace this door with the brand new door which we would supply yourself. We're now going to show how do you put your door back onto the unit again that you've just taken it off. On this occasion you can see the hinge plates, your existing hinge plates are still on, which is where the hinge clips onto. As you can see, it clips onto there. Your existing hinge plates are on. Sometimes they're not clip-on, they're screw ones, but you can just screw them off and then. But we've got your existing hinges. So now we're going to put them back onto the door. We will have drilled this 35mm hinge hole for yourself to your specification. You then set the hinge hole into there. I've already made preliminary holes here, and you'll find that's better for yourself, is to make small pencil marks or holes so you know where the positioning of the two holes are, but it's parallel. You then take your screwdriver. As you can see, the screws are quite thin. Again, the screws you got from your old door. And you literally just screw them back in to the door. So you have two small screws either side of the large 35mm hinge hole, which will hold the hinge in position. Line it up parallel with the hinge and and that's your two hinges back onto the door. You then lift your door up. It all should line up, because you give us the actual dimensions. Clip on, and that's your door installed onto your furniture. Thank you again for contacting KBB.